Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove blank rows from Google spreadsheet. Let's get started. You can remove blank rows manually. Just keep the mouse point on the number and click and press the control button from keyboard and click again and right click on the mouse and press delete. But I will remove all blank rows at a time. Just select the all sheet and go to data menu, create a filter and go to drop down menu, uncheck mark the all menu and just keep blanks and hit OK. Remove the all blank row. Firstly select the row and right click on the mouse and click delete select row. Go to filter, select the all and remove the filter. Now my all blank row is deleted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.